I love Les Pauls. Its thick tone, the raw power, how effortless it is to play. There's nothing that compares. But you know what I love even more? Building one of these iconic classics myself from our StewMac LP kit. This guitar has everything going for it. A lightweight mahogany body, a solid maple cap, a highly figured top veneer, a pre-carved traditional mahogany neck, crown inlays, nice hardware, and electronics. With this kit, you could build a really nice guitar. But best of all, it's really simple to put together. You don't have to be a professional luthier. You don't have to have any woodworking experience. With just a few tools you probably already have laying around your house, you can build this thing in just about a weekend. All the harder parts of building a guitar are already done for you. The neck and the body joint meet perfectly. The body's already drilled for the correct placement of the bridge and the tailpiece. The frets come pre-installed, nice and tight. The nut comes pre-installed, and the tuner holes are drilled and ready for installation. Buying a guitar is one thing. I have a genuine Les Paul and I love that guitar. But being able to build one for yourself and then setting it up to play for you there's nothing like it. And the tone, well, I mean, what more is there to say? Plus, when you're hanging out with your friends and you pull this thing out, everybody's gonna say, "Hey, where'd you get that? What is that?" And you gotta say, "Hey, I made it, it's mine. It's your name on the headstock." But not really, we don't supply that part. You guys have to figure that part out. This is a fun project that anyone can build, and it will leave you with a guitar that you can be proud of for decades.